Welcome to World Hyundai, where we ship genuine OEM Hyundai parts straight from our dealership to your door. Today we're looking at the 2019 to 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe front and rear carpeted floor mats, a genuine OEM set designed to protect your Santa Fe's interior from everyday wear, dirt, and moisture. These mats fit the 2019 through 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe, including popular trims like the SE, SEL, Limited, and Calligraphy. Your 2019 to 2022 Santa Fe's carpeted floor mats lock into the factory anchor points and are cut to the exact contours of the front and rear footwells, keeping spills, slush, and grit off the original carpet. Worn or generic mats slide around, expose the carpet to permanent staining, and tank resale value when it's time to trade in. Genuine Hyundai OEM mats are color matched to your interior and built to the same spec as factory installed. No aftermarket gaps, no curling edges. Head to our website to shop the full catalog of genuine OEM Hyundai parts, backed by manufacturer warranty, a fitment guarantee, and fast shipping nationwide. Not sure if this part fits your Santa Fe? Give us a call with your VIN ready and we'll confirm the exact right part for your vehicle. You can find your VIN on the dashboard near the windshield, inside the driver's door jamb, or printed on your registration card. It's 17 digits that identify your exact vehicle. Shop with World Hyundai for genuine parts every time. Don't settle for aftermarket.